Hey everybody, I'm making Korean noodles today. It's ramen day and I want to show you my version of it, so stick around. I will be cooking bibimbap or bibimbap today. I got this from one of the northeastern stores here in Bangalore. It has got that trademark sweet and sour taste like any other Korean noodles. It says spicy, but trust me, it is not spicy at all. First thing, bring the water to a boil before you could add your noodles. Now the water is heated up, you can add your noodles. As you can see, I broke them in two. People might not like it. Now it's time for the sauce. The sauce is very thick, it's very concentrated.
Okay.
So you want to make sure you squeeze the sauce out of the packet completely because you need a lot of sauce for that amount of noodles you are cooking or I'm cooking right now. As you can see, the noodle is already cooking. You want to make sure you bring it to a thick consistency, the soup. This is my favorite part. I like to combine my noodles with some type of vegetables. Today I will be pairing my noodles with kale. Kale is such a super vegetable. I love it cooked in every way or any way, be it fried, steamed, boiled, or however. Make sure you clean your kale properly. You can throw away those yellow ones, pick them apart to clean those build up dirt. You can also cut away the top hard part and then the huge chunk of that middle in two to clean the inside as well. As you can see, the noodle is completely and perfectly cooked. The soup is nice and thick. Let's set it aside. Let's straight go into cooking the kale now. So let's just pop our kale into a normal pot. I don't do anything extraordinary. Just drizzle a little bit of oil on top and also a little bit of salt if you want. If you don't, you can skip. Give it a quick little mix. You want to make sure you don't overcook your kale. Let it sit in the steam for a minute or two and you can take it off. I like eating Korean noodles with an egg on top, which is not completely cooked, so the yolk is still runny and you can mix it with the noodles. So there we are done cooking the noodles. I swear it just take few minutes. I was just explaining, so it did take some time, but it's very quick and simple. And the kale is also done. You just put them, plate it wherever you want to put it, in a plate or wherever. And my little trick is to put in a little bit of pickle as well. This is chickpeas. I am currently obsessed with pickle chickpeas. I don't know why. I told you the ramen or the noodle is not spicy, so I'm gonna add that pickled chili, which I already have made a video about in my channel. I'm going to put the egg on top. The egg does not look that pretty. I was not able to peel it properly, so look at that. It's ugly. I don't know how to make things look pretty or plate, so I apologize, but you can trust me on this. The taste is going to be amazing and you are no longer going to eat your simple, boring ramen or Korean noodles or any types of noodles again because you're going to love this. Alright guys, let's dig in. You can also add any other side dishes you want, like kimchi, cucumber, diced carrots, any other types of pickles if you want, any other types of vegetables that you want to eat. So the choice is yours. Try this so that you don't have to eat that boring noodles again. And also, I want to challenge you to put everything on top of your noodle scoop. Put in your chili, your pickles, and your vegetables, and you want to make sure you fit everything in one shot. So you're going to look extremely ugly. However, I don't care. I look ugly. That's a big mouth opening, but we're enjoying it. And yes, there you go. That's my little happy dance. Anyways, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you will try my version of this noodles. Let me know what you feel. Thank you.